a certain man
because people know.
me see a certain man.
Shatta Wale Rolls Royce na bedu. No settings.
And there, me assure says Stonebwoy fans they are out of the coverage area because me were friend back who a die-hard fan of Stonebwoy. Ma chatting on reply me. I was your Shatta Wale were trading Stonebwoy and then the fans no so and then what you say and a judgment day. Beef no, yen finalize bibia and na you more time. Shatta Wale abe reply Stonebwoy. Sa ne settings mine now or be country maybe a trim.
Ye name is at or a settings man.
Ana Stonebwoy Shatta Wale be kan ka asem da ontimi fa mai enti o ya zan settings mine. Shatta Wale abe reply Stonebwoy with a nyom any tweet after say ode kind of eba Ghana ene. Hi Penyah blog me da message wa say obe like video na obe subscribe button so obe click the notification icon so na be kire wa adwene e wo comment section. It is said nyina enum no Shatta Wale last year ni mo ana we posted say or the Rolls Royce eba Ghana wakoto Rolls Royce or the eba Ghana.
Baby, they say you ain't coming to Ghana, man.
It's good to have your own shit.
Yeah, you have your own shit, beast.
In a real life.
Yeah, in a real life, man.
I who said na our shop ho. Emma, even shop owners and every man, congratulations.
Hey guys, it's Matt over here with Quantum Car Company here in Orange County, California. Over here we got the amazing Rolls Royce Cullinan that we just sold to Shatta Wale. Once again, my man, happy birthday and congratulations on your great success in the music industry.
Emma, we say we say kind of crown omo air package kind for shipping.
Make them feel I'm lie on the talking, no ego to go. A heavyweight I be, no lightweight for start my lane. No Shukura, Tunima, this little nigga. All these girls is here and me, they love my Pele. Mona big girl, if you're out of big girl, change your style.
That's it. Maybe the car going to I see how I'm going.
By ya train na can emada. Emu ana Stonebwoy be catch Shatta Wale say oh ya zan settings man.
Oh, a certain man
Because people know.
me see a certain man obi otumi to Rolls Royce name buy. Na what to masa akwa tina abrochire settings. Ye name is at or a settings man. Me maka na den. Menka. Hey, me see na mamu news. Na den.
Ono kwa netimi to car na otwe miensen na can emada. It was settings. Na so ya settings so say onya settings so and 8 February 2025 yen can be shame e dey say car no Rolls Royce Cullinan no atwinity e wo tema habo.
For life.
Shatta Wale Rolls Royce na bedu. No settings. Wale Rolls Royce na bedu habo.
One God Shatta on God. What the can abefie. No the can buy no. and I say the beef between Stonebwoy asem was Stonebwoy catch Shatta say oya zan certain man no Shatta didn't can call ne Twitter and okotire say God is here nyame wa ha and nyame bre na ebre pa et bibia enye rushing munya abotre bibia enye rushing and was making another tweet and okotire say scores $15 million against one Ghana cedis. Shatta chirem say oh no ne muduro o waiti $15 million and Stonebwoy one Ghana cedi enti enye ni mate kra no enye ni tipen no da krokrada it is Stonebwoy enye steady and oto just oh no they are fucking leading this game. They are leading this fucking game. It is Stonebwoy there onyina ye now after all this ana Shatta Wale e de enyom a wa releasing the foforo a enyom no title Rolls Royce or the better ato.
How many times I go to come? Say I'm the king, na me way be their father. Top boy, them I know say I gallant, them no go feed do me nada. Now we dey cause you wahala daily. Steady they move, say my sheep is selling. Stack the money up till it touch the ceiling. Pray that my life for this kind of feeling. See this nobody, we done turn to somebody. Now I live in my best life, my best life, my best life. See this nobody, we done turn to somebody. Now I live in my best life, my best life, my best life. Say I'm moving in expensive cars, I'm moving in a fast room. I'm cruising in a Rolls Royce. I say I'm cruising in a Rolls Royce. I'm moving in expensive cars, I'm moving in a fast room. Now I'm cruising in a Rolls Royce. I'm cruising in a Rolls Royce. Been a long time on this road. Man, I dey look for the silver and gold. So many fears, but I know ever fold. They hate on me cause they misunderstood. Oh no, you never see me laugh unless the money be stupid. Soldier boy steady focus on my duty. See my life like I'm living in a movie. Oh yeah. See this nobody, we done turn to somebody. Now I live in my best life, my best life, my best life. See this nobody, we done turn to somebody. Now I live in my best life, my best life, my best life. Say I'm moving in expensive cars, I'm moving in a fast room. I'm cruising in a Rolls Royce. I say I'm cruising in a Rolls Royce. I'm moving in expensive cars, I'm moving in a fast room. Now I'm cruising in a Rolls Royce. I'm cruising in a Rolls Royce.
Eja feda Shatta Wale sini bo say Stonebwoy and the fans and idea in fact or buomu asabra omusun because Stonebwoy beke can azar certain smile wale ye din kono nim de oye oye din ehwe Stonebwoy kan de eti na idea so ojina omu konso ani 24/7 oso momunya ahome omomunya mfanama mpo no ma ahome no munya haban ena o matiare back to back so de ma wo mani ubetima kire wadwene e wo comment section aha Penyah blog media akra